Come on now. Today we're working on a 2011 F150 3.5 EcoBoost. We're doing the heater hose outlet. It rubbing on the plastic, the engine cover plastic, and wore a hole right through this little 90. It took me quite some time to actually find the right one. I did find it at O'Reilly's. Yeah, that guy. You get yourself one of them, and I went ahead and cut off just a little bit because she's a bit stretched out. Got into some good. It's gonna seal. Put 2 hose clamps on there for paranoia's sake, and we're gonna throw her back in there. Here we go. Before we get all set up here, I'm gonna give you guys a shot at what I'm working with here. So we got our quick connect, which is actually a riser quick connect. There's another one back there. And then back yonder is our actual hose. If I'm able to get that in the shot there, hopefully. But that's where the other end goes, this end here. So the plan, it's just slap it back together. Perfect. That's not good though. Boy, you really gotta be careful where you put your weight on here. Almost there. She's in. However you pronounce YouTube account channel name thing. Yeah. We're going there. Oh, come on. I think that's good. Man, there is just no place. Almost got it fixed. Really? Hey, you wanna see? Yeah, basically that's it right there. I'm just gonna throw 2 hose clamps on because I'm paranoid, but make sure it's all sealed up nice. So hopefully this video saves somebody from spending $108 on this line. I got this fitting from O'Reilly's. I give you the part number. 2 hose clamps because I'm paranoid. I put some electrical tape on it. Would be better off using friction tape. Double-sided tape. I used a yoga mat and just taped her on there to prevent this from happening again. It was a pretty straightforward process. Added coolant here, you know, a little bit above. I started the engine 3,500 RPM for 30 seconds, shut her down, let it burp, do that again, and then let it come up to temp while full blast on the heat. And if you got heat, you're good, you're not airlocked. Oh, that ain't no good.